Crazy Will here. Today we're going to be talking about how to replace a mirror on a 2007 Scion TC. Stay tuned, I'm going to show you how to do it. Hey, Crazy Will here from Crazy Will's Tech Show. Today, I'm going to show you how to replace a passenger side mirror on a 2007 Scion TC. Now, I'm out in my garage, obviously, with my Scion TC, and I accidentally pulled out, and I was worried about my mother's dog, and I accidentally pulled out and clipped my mirror so it's nice and wobbly and messed up, and I tried gluing it and put it back together, and I was working in the garage and I backed up into it and smashed it again. I'm waiting for a delivery from Amazon today, so I'm gonna show you for now how to take it out. Once my delivery gets here, I'll show you how to put it back in. So let's get started, shall we? So as you can see, it's cracked right there. It's messed up, it flops in the wind like that, and I hit it again and I messed it up. It's done for. I mean, I could probably just take it off if I wanted to. I'm gonna try and save the back of this, but the one I ordered was on Amazon, and I'll leave a link down in the description down below. Still has the blinker light, still has the capability of moving the mirror. Alright, so the first thing we wanna do is try and take this cover off. You wanna push in here, and you wanna grab it, push in, and then push it out. And just to show you what it looks like on the inside of that cover, it's this peg, that's why we're pushing from here. This peg's gonna loosen, and this is the one that you wanna be worried about to try and take out because it's gotta rock away. So, just to show you that again, you have it in here, pushed into place, we just grab it. Well, it's not completely pushed into place, but you get the first metal peg, and then you just rock it out as I drop it. And again, that's the inside of this piece. So we'll put that over here for now. Next thing you want to do is get the electronics out. And we got a little plug here, and we just push down on this tab right up here, and then pull it out like so, and keep that out of the way. We're gonna take a 10mm socket with a ratchet, and we're gonna go for these right here. Alright, you want to leave the last screw in, just loose, and what you're going to do is grab it from this side and unscrew it the rest of the way by hand. Take that last screw out, and this should just pop right out just like that. And as you can see how messed up it is and pieces are falling out. Yeah, it's seen better days. So I don't know if I'm the one that broke this, but this is what the inside of the panel that goes right on this looks like. And there's two clips. Man, this looks like damn near impossible to take off. I was gonna try and take off the other one and clean this and sand it down and redo it, but I think I'm gonna redo the one that it comes with, because that's a pain in the butt to get off. You can see the clips are there, and supposedly you're supposed to push down on this a certain way and get it off. I couldn't find an easier way to get this, and it looks like it's just gonna break. And if you can see, that clip up there broke, and that clip right there is kind of broken. And you can see where they go in. That's going to be a hard one to try and get into. You'd be better off trying to get the bottoms, but you're supposed to get the tops out first. But I'm going to hold on to this because it's got a lot of stuff that I could use. It has the blinker, has some of the electronics in there. I mean, it has the mirror just in case I break the mirror. So I'm going to hold on to this just in case I need any parts off of it, which is always a good idea because I've come across that several times where I've used parts. I've had this car for a very long time. Alright, so Amazon just dropped off my package. Not much padding in the package. Actually, there's no padding at all. It's just in a bag. That's nice. Oh, okay, there's some padding. Alright, everything looks the same. Looks pretty nice. The cover's not off, so I guess I'm stuck with black, which means I might have to get another one, because I don't know how you take this cover off without damaging it, as you saw in the video. Well, let's go ahead and install it, guys. Alright, so how we put it on last time is how we're going to do it this time. We're going to grab it like so, put it into its holes, put the one screw on to hold it into place. Just hand tighten these first. 10mm, righty tighty, lefty loosey. Just push that clip back in there so it's out of the way. Boom. Gonna make them snug so it's not flapping in the wind. So we're just gonna take this cover like this, put it in the corner first, And that's it. Now to test to see if it works. Mirror's working. Blinker's working. That's good. Alright, now to get a good look at the view of what it looks like, because it's going to be black. Now I did notice right off the bat there's a little scuffing right there. Not the best mirror in the world. There's little scratches and scuffs. I'm not very happy with that, but I paid $44.99 for it, so it's not bad and it has all the functionality. The only thing is that mirror over there is silver and this one's black. I thought it was going to come detached and I was just going to be able to put this right over it, but it doesn't look like that's going to happen. If anything, I might have to just get another mirror and just replace that one on the other side. But, you know, for the price, better than going to a dealer and paying a fortune for it. At $44.99, you got yourself a mirror back. Yeah, see, this one's silver, and as you can see, this one's seen better days. So it's all nice and shiny and new, different color, but what are you going to do? Part of the game. I'll figure out something. That's it for me, guys. I hope this helped you. Your Scion TC, they're getting up there in age. Mine's a 2007. Still love it. Still want to keep it in perfect condition. Well, near perfect condition if I don't, you know, slam the mirror off, you know. Make sure you like and subscribe if this helped you in any way. And ring that bell if you want to get more notifications about my videos. And remember, you can do anything if you put your mind to it. Later, guys! Blinker. This isn't a Marvel movie, guys. There's no secret ending, no strategy or something. Just hit like and subscribe and maybe click on one of the videos above. Don't know what to tell you.